Hi viewers, good morning. Welcome back to my channel Free Classes for All. Okay guys, I need to say one good news for you all. Again, Byju's Recruitment 2021 has been released by the Byju's company. If anybody are interested, you can join this company and you can easily get jobs only by 3 rounds. You need to reply or you need to answer for the simple questions and you need to be fluent in communicational skills. Okay, I'll do videos how to present or how to overcome the interviews of Byju's. Okay, now coming to this video, this Byju's Recruitment 2021 has been released. So there is a lot of time within this month you need to apply for this recruitment, and don't forget to apply because it is a best chance and the salary was good. Okay, coming to the job description, that Byju's will recruit for the position of Business Development Associate. It is BDA profile, which is inside and outside sales. Before going to apply, please be thorough with the job description after completing application and after completion of interview rounds of 3 rounds. Then don't think about we need to go or don't. So before going to apply, just only before only think what is the job description you need to do. Okay, coming to the job description or your role description, the just the profile or designation of yours is BDA, which is Business Development Associate. Okay, here you can see the selected candidates will begin in an individual contributor's role, working in a team of go-getters to help spread the Byju's way of learning in your city. Okay, you need to call for the people who are interested to take the Byju's online trainings, and you need to book a demo for them. It is your particular role. You need to do call and you need to convince about uh, taking these online trainings. Okay, this is the main role you need to do. And coming to the skills part, you need to have interest in monitoring and guiding students. And one thing I need to say, you need to have a good interpersonal and presentational skills, and also you need to be more patient. It is the skill which they will not mention, but you need to be more patient while going to apply. And you coming to the other details and the profile, you can see what is the role you have been seen and what is the designation you have seen. Just the general details you need to know, that after clearing all 3 rounds there will be 2 months of training under the business development trainee profile, not BDA profile. After 2 months you will be promoted as a BDA, and the stipend will be up to 25,000. Upon successful completion of training, candidates will be promoted to the role of BDA, which have been set, and the salary package will be 10 lakhs per annum, which is. Click on apply now, and then you will get the details of all these: name, mobile number, email, office city, sales info, date of birth, select highest qualification, and you need to fill all these details. First you need to fill your name, mobile and Gmail ID, and office city. Here you can see that where you want, means we are after getting the job where you want to do job. Okay, sales circle where it can before you here you can see first clicking on office city or first clicking on the city which you are which you have been preferred. Then related to that city, the office or sales circles will be provided. Date of birth and highest qualifications, if you have been completed degree, it's okay. And then your completion year, if you are 2019 passed out or 2018 passed out from degree or from BTech, then you need to mention that year, and you need to upload resume and gender. Then finally you need to click on apply now, and before going to click on apply now, you need to think just that resume should be below 5 MB. Please be careful. If your resume will be 5 MB, then it is not valid. Okay guys, then you need to click on apply now. Then after clicking on apply now, then you will get you have been completed or you have been successfully completed registration process. Then after or within the week you will get a mail of interview process. They will start, because they will be under the review your application. So they will start reviewing, and if your resume is valid and if your resume is more impressive, then you will get call from them and they will start interview process 3 rounds. And I'm going to explain how to perform in the 3 rounds to get selected. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts related to this, and you can comment me in the comment